makers, welcome to my FLIIK review. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly what is the FLIIK is, and also I have some exclusive bonus for this product. It was related to because this software, and also I will go through. I have a demo video related to this software FLIIK, how it works, and also finally I will go through the price and upsell as well. So what is the FLIIK? This is a software. You will create a compare video. You don't have to put your face on in front of the camera. Just like me. You just the software will have some software compare software between this two physical method, Amazon and also the eBay, such as review and have to plug in some keywords and the iPhone and the VS with iPhone and Samsung, and you will and this software will produce compare video between these two different brands with their mobile phone, and you will get commissions. You don't have to sell anything because this compare when the visitor come to your website through the email, through the video. When they like anything of that, you will get commissions from Amazon or eBay, and also they also have some other version is ClickBank, and you will simply put your ClickBank ID ClickBank hotlink or ID is free to sign up, and you will get in this software will create customer review video about the ClickBank product. But I highly recommend you should use compare video. This is much more easier for you to sell to get commissions from Amazon or eBay. So if you are interested in this product, please stay with me until the end, or please stay with me, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So if you are interested in this, I also have some exclusive bonus for you to make more money with Amazon and eBay. So let's take a look in my bonus page. So the bonus number one is you will get 10 high and converting the campaign you can use to sell the visit of visit code 10 hot selling the income product. You can sell it. Bonus number 3 will be a cheat sheet for ClickBank cash out the cheat sheet, how to make more money from Google traffic. This is evergreen from affiliate marketing in ClickBank. Bonus number 4, how to monetize your video like crazy, because it is platform. This software platform you will learn how to monetize the Amazon, eBay, and YouTube. If you have know how to monetize your video, you will make more commission. Bonus number 4 is another very awesome. That is 15 with a KTB box that makes $100. KTB box is candle and is another and low quality content book. You don't have to write a very long paragraph. It's pretty simple. And in this video, we will teach you how to publish 15 KDP posts, and you can make $100 with the help of Amazon. If you publish to Amazon, if you come to Amazon, they are ready to buy anything, to try something. Bonus number 5 is a quick ebook creator. This is also that easy to create ebooks with your WordPress post. Other than you can look at condition, and the most important is build your list. If you have your blog and how to build your ebook, this software will tell you to quickly to create an ebook. This ebook you can give away and also build your list. Money is in your list. How to build your list is by giving away freebie. Ebook is the most common ways to give away. Bonus number 6, SEO and business kit. This is everything you need to start an SEO agency. For completely beginner. This is also going to give you this SEO business kit and how to become an SEO agency. Bonus number 7 is a step-by-step guide how to build your mobile eBay domination. How to create stunning, user-friendly and mobile optimized online store products. Bonus number 8. You will get Surefire Wealth Student Membership. You will get 1 year. You get it for free. You will get the latest ebook, software, plug-in, audio and video. Many you can give away. And also you will have our reseller, master reseller, private label way. You can sell it and keep 100% commission. So and also you will bonus, and also you will get render the bonus within the countdown timer hit 0. And all my exclusive bonus will be inside the Warrior Pass. If you are interested in my exclusive bonus, don't forget to hit the in the description below. The first link you will come to my bonus page, and you will get all my exclusive bonus before the countdown timer. All my exclusive bonus will be inside the Warrior Pass. And this is all very awesome. You should grab it. You should grab it and grab it because you will get more and more commissions for my exclusive bonus. So let's take a look at what is the sales page. What is the sales page? The sales page will have and the sales page you will have unique legal affiliate program. They get a massive result daily from people's choice. This is also one of for 40,000 to 80,000 hits in 40 hours. Little guy affiliate system generate massive daily result without cost. This is also the simple comparison the system currently beating and copyright guidance. This is also what I am. What is the exact list of software I will to produce comparison video. How to monetize on Amazon, eBay, and YouTube. It was also just for $70. And highly recommend you can grab it. This follow just not to sell anything, just to give and a visitor an honest review to pick which one, and you also no matter which option that they want to pick up, and you will get commissions from affiliate from Amazon or eBay. So I don't want to go through the members area because I also included in-depth demo video for FLIIK inside the software. The creator will go through everything inside the software in this demo. So if you want to know more about the FLIIK software, you can watch this demo video inside my bonus page. So if you are still interested in it, don't forget to hit and like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So lastly, I also go through what is the upsell and the price. This is also you will get the FLIIK. This is also $70. If you click the sales page and exit, you will have a pop up. You will have $3 there and discount. So you will get this for $47. And what you will get what you will get at the front end, you will research 100 keywords for Amazon, eBay, and ClickBank. Auto create 5 landing page. You will per month host create 5 videos and upload to YouTube or Vimeo or Amazon, eBay video create module. Auto generate the view API. ClickBank video create module and create comparison review style the video using VS image crop techniques, video and link synchronization across multiple platforms for backlinks and traffic. $47. This is no brainer. I highly recommend you can grab this product. Upsell number 1 is a big portion. It's $67 and also come with $37 for downsell. You will get unlimited keyword product research for Amazon, eBay, and ClickBank. And also you will auto create an additional 10 corresponding landing page. You will have $15 per month to host. Create additional 10 videos and upload to YouTube and Vimeo. And also you can add your own voice over waterfront and schedule videos for future upload. Upsell number 2 is a compare $47. Also come with $37. You will extend your comparison affiliate business by building a fully stocked WordPress comparison stock. You can you can use the affiliate link to track all the products with global setup. Option number 3 is you can add instant market traffic $97 with $67. And that is you can use your pixel whether it's Facebook or Google to add this FLIIK sales page. You will get a very highly targeted traffic. You can build a retargeting marketing. It's a very cheap traffic. Option number 4 is agency unlimited $67 come with $47. You can sell it unlimited sales. Full done for you affiliate tool 2x or traffic traffic streaming. Option number 1 pay a week version fee $127 $97 down server. You will get a video tutorial with done for you products 7 products a reseller get commission on 7 products. All you have to do is fill in the brand, generate and give away high quality pre-configured content. Each product becomes unique. Use staff and benefit from and inbuild their professional promotional structure and higher reseller commissions percentage for all products. So I highly recommend that you can grab upsell number 1 is unlimited. And also you can grab the upsell number 5. You can make a traffic. Traffic is the most important thing. So this is my upsell number 1 and upsell number 3, and you can watch the demo in my bonus page. So lastly, I recap what are my exclusive bonus for you. Bonus number 1 and 10 hot selling e-com products. Hot selling bonus number 2, kickback crash out chat sheet. Bonus number 3, how to monetize your video like crazy. Bonus number 4, and then the bonus number 4, you will get 15 KDP books. How to make $100. Bonus number 5, you will get quick ebook creator. Bonus number 6, and then the bonus number 6, you will get just read through you will SEO business kit. Bonus number 7, you will get step-by-step guide how to make a mobile e-commerce domination. And the last bonus, you will get 1 year you will still buy membership for you can give away, and also you sell anything to keep 100% commission. And you will get and also vendor the bonus within the timer zero timer hit 0. All my exclusive bonus will be inside the Warrior Plus. So thanks for taking time to check out my review. This review, FLIIK review and bonus. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for your support. See you